I'm going to show you how you can dynamically create videos of your camera bubble over any web page. So kind of what I'm doing now where I'm recording my camera over my screen, but imagine the screen is dynamic and you can just add your prospect's website URL or any URL you want to the video. So this is going to start by getting the video that you want to use as your camera bubble. So the one you want to appear on all of the videos you're creating. To do this, you can just grab a link to a Sendspark video from your library. So if you already have one, great, just copy the link. Otherwise, you can record a new video or upload a video you already have here. Go back to your dynamic video builder and just paste this in. And in the preview below, you're going to see this video bubble over the website URL the same way. It's going to appear in your final video. If you want to personalize other parts of this page, you can. So when you first sign up, just make sure to add your own logo up here to customize the brand styles. And then if you want, you can add a header above the video. So something like, hi, first name. You could also say, wanted to show how we can help. Company name. And a link to the call to action. So if you want them to schedule time in your calendar or take the next step in the workflow, just add that here as well. Schedule a demo, and imagine I'm adding my calendar link. Okay, so now the good stuff, making the dynamic video. The last step here is generating the video. So you can just put in the contact information for the people that you're making this for. So for example, let's make one for Brian Montoya at salesbricks.com. And then you can add just the name and the company and click generate dynamic video. And just so you know, these variables here where it says first name and company name, this is coming from the personalization tokens you're using above. So based on the tokens that you want, you can add these fields. And if you don't have them for any of your contacts that you're going to be using for your dynamic video, then you would just click on this and you can change the fallback text. So let's say we didn't know Brian's company, it would just say your company if you leave that blank. Okay, so this is now processing here, all ready to go. And here you see a few options. So you can click on this link to just copy and paste this with a video preview into email. You can click copy link to see your video. So this is going to look just like that preview above where we have the hi Brian that we added from the template. The video, you can see my camera bubble recording over the website page, and then the text below the video and the call to action. You can also click on this option to edit the page from here. So let's say you wanted to add an exclamation point at the title, then you could just go ahead and change this, or you can see we forgot to add the URL, add that here, and then you can share from here as well. And of course, you can download the video. So if this is something you wanted to share a different way, then the file is yours to do what you will with it. All right, hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know if you have any feedback, and happy creating. See you.